And if you down Interstate 77 right along the North Carolina border, you can certainly see the snow in progress there. And farther south as you go, you're certainly going to run into the snow farther east as well. Let's take a look with a time lapse, Charlotte, North Carolina, and you can see how quickly the visibility goes down, the skyline disappears, and you see the snow that continues to fall at this hour. Temperatures continue to drop as well. Now back to Charlottesville, we're currently at 37 degrees, made it up to 39 this afternoon. Our dew points, again, that's a measure of moisture in the atmosphere. The lower the number, the drier the air. And so if you want saturation, you want the dew point to get close to the actual air temperature. But nonetheless, that dry air is kind of eating away at some of the precipitation that shows up on the radar. Now, valley locations, dew points are in the 20s, but still that's a discrepancy. But nonetheless, 35 right now in Stanton, afternoon high there of 38. And you can see most locations, with the exception of Wintergreen, are above freezing. These numbers will be dropping tonight, be dropping in a big way. But as we take a look at NBC29's exclusive dual pole triple Doppler radar, we see the returns here on the radar. A lot of this is what we call virga. It's precipitational loft not reaching the ground. It's evaporating. The evaporating process cools the atmosphere, but by and large, the deeper moisture still is well to our south. Now, there is a little disturbance dropping out of Pennsylvania. That may produce a snow shower or flurry, but this is where all the action is, and it will continue to be that way with the storm that's tracking well to our south. There are winter weather advisories, including the Richmond metro area, Petersburg, and then you go down 460, and then farther down 64, Williamsburg, Newport News, into Norfolk and Suffolk. Then those areas are under winter storm warnings. That also includes areas like Elizabeth City, North Carolina, and areas east of Raleigh that'll see a lot more snow. So locally for us, we may at best see a dusting. That looks to be about it. Really, we kind of miss out on this activity, although there could be a snow shower or a few flurries flying tonight. We'll actually see clearing overnight, and then this is where temperatures drop. In the morning, upper teens and low 20s, and it'll be a little bit breezy in the morning hours, so there's your wind chills. It'll be in the teens across the region. Tomorrow, most locations here across central Virginia, either side of 40 degrees, upper 30s in the Shenandoah Valley. So a cold day, but we'll have abundant sunshine, and we still have another cold start early Saturday morning before temperatures begin a rebound, and we'll be in the 50s here for the upcoming weekend, which looks pretty good. So again, this is a plenty of moisture that's riding along the southeastern United States. As it slowly gets into the colder air, that's where it changes over, and that's where the snow is falling. And again, this is a pretty modified Arctic air mass that covers a good portion now of the eastern two-thirds of the country. So here we are tonight with Futurecast. Again, there could be a snow shower flurry, but the snow, steadier snow, accumulating snow is off to our south and east. And then by morning, we've got clear skies, a bit breezy, 18 to 23 to start, upper 30s to low 40s for daytime highs on Friday. Then we'll start Saturday morning plenty cold as well, upper teens and low 20s, and see afternoon highs in the lower 50s. Tonight then, there could be a few snow showers or flurries. Otherwise, we'll have some clearing late, 18 to 23, kind of the overnight lows. It'll be plenty cold tomorrow. Again, brisk to start the day, and then another cold start Saturday morning before temperatures rebound for a nice weekend in the 50s, and mild with showers returning early and middle of next week.